I know you want it, wanna see you trying. Just keep on pushing on the Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber here, I would say stay subscribed because we sure have a good time on this YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. This video is actually going to be a short one because it's actually a day in my life, what I get up to daily. And today I intend to go shopping for groceries. So I want to take you guys with me to give an estimate of how much I spend on groceries. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into this video. But first of all, let's have a cup of tea because it's still very cold outside. First, I'll suggest you get a list because this will scrub out or cut out you getting irrelevant items or things you didn't budget for. So get a list and how much you want to spend. Guys, I had an injury. Don't know if you can see it. No nails till further notice. Cheers, let's go. Hey guys, so I just got back and it's a bit dark because it's already past 5 p.m. So I want to put the things I got away and show you guys the total of what I got. Let's get into it. I'll just go change into something more comfy and then Guys, I'm so famished and let's make dinner together, guys. Decided to get something different from the regular chips I usually get, so I got the salt and pepper chips this time around. Hopefully it tastes nice. I'll let you guys know what it is at the end of the day.
It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us weak. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us weak. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us weak. So go and see what you can find right now. Make us weak. It's time to listen to.
Dinner is finally ready. Before we get into dinner, let me show you guys what I spent in total. The first supermarket, I actually shopped at 2 supermarkets. And the first one amounted to 89 quid and 58 pence. Sorry, 89 pounds and 58 pence. And then the other one was 50 pounds and 5 pence. So that's a total of approximately 140 pounds. Tell me why I still have space in my fridge. Tell me. Anyways guys, let me get into my dinner before it gets cold. Thank you for watching this video. If you like short videos like this, let me know in the comment section so I'll know what more to do. Or if you'd like me to stick to my long regular videos, let me know in the comment section down below. For now guys, thanks for watching this video. If you've not hit the subscribe button, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next vlog. For now, bye guys. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye.
You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams.